it's Virginia. Welcome to my crib. Actually, would it be better lighting if I turned off the light behind me? Let's go see. Hey, what's up? It's Virginia. Welcome to my channel, to my crib, to my video. Sorry if it's super noisy, my window sucks so I can hear everything that's outside, and you are currently sitting on my windowsill and crooked. So today I'm doing a cleaning my dorm room video, which I wouldn't have thought I'd ever make, but here I am. I've made multiple cleaning my room videos on my channel and people always like them, and my room is a mess, so I thought it would be satisfying to watch the documentation of cleaning my room. So here's the actual deal, is that the first 3 weeks of the school year I didn't have a roommate because I got assigned with someone that lived off campus instead of living on campus. So then I had to move into another girl's room that also didn't have a roommate. So I moved, and then 2 weeks later she moved out into another room. So now I don't have a roommate again. And I was on one side and I have to move over to the other side for university policy. But for right now I don't have a roommate, and I don't think I will for at least a few months, because I think they're gonna force me to consolidate again, but they said that they wouldn't do that until Thanksgiving. So I have some time in my own room, but I'm in the middle of switching from one side to the other, so there's stuff all over the place and it's a mess and I need to continue setting it up. So this is cleaning my dorm room / college move-in part 2.5, because I already did a 0.2, I just didn't upload it, and now this is 0.25, 2.5. I don't know, man, but I need water, so I think that's gonna be my first order of business, is to go get water. Bam, you can't even tell that I filled it up, but I did. Okay, now I'm gonna show you my messy room. Let's get started. So this is the side that I was previously living on. Here's the side I am moving to. It's a lot emptier, as you can tell. I keep going to this wardrobe because I think it has my clothes in it, but actually this one does. So yeah, I have stuff literally everywhere, pajamas, my dishes, food, laundry that I need to fold, my backpack, blankets. All my posters are still over here except that one, because I gave up after putting one over there, and need to make my bed that somehow slid all the way down when I was sleeping. That didn't happen on that side, so maybe it's the curse of the right side or something. But yeah, and I just have stuff all over the place. So I think I'm gonna set up my TV first. It's laying over there because I want to watch Parks and Rec while I'm doing this to motivate me. The floor's looking pretty organized. Just have a chest there, a carpet that's folded up, my Pusheen mermaid cat. I'm gonna get you off the ground. You deserve better than that. There you go. I don't know how to set this up, so we're just gonna roll with it. I did it! Actually, I still have to set up the antenna, but I think I'm just gonna leave it over there for now. I just made my bed, so I think I'm going to transfer all the posters from this side to this side now. I think I want to set them up differently though, because I want to put pictures where that poster is right now. So they're probably gonna be like all across this wall. So I gotta figure out how that is going to work out. So I finally decided on this arrangement, but honestly, I might end up changing it anyways. But we'll see. We'll see if I really care about it that much after today. Now I'm just going to like put my pillows and stuff on my bed, and then probably put these blankets on that mattress so it's like not ugly, and then move just like these last little knickknacks over to this side of the room and figure out what I'm gonna do with that. Okay, yay, my dorm is clean now. Woo! Except I still have to do my dishes. The side is pretty much cleaned out, except I still have that towel hanging there. My dishes I need to do. My shower caddy's there, but you know. And I put a blanket on top of the mattress to make it look not as ugly, and I have a little chest there, my laundry basket. And then I have all the stuff on this side now, including all the posters and foodstuffs and TV. Yay. Woo! This video was chaotic and a little bit pointless, and I don't know if anyone will watch it, but I did it. So if you liked it, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos from me and you aren't already, subscribe, because I will have more videos in this room and a college dorm tour, even though you've already seen it. But yeah. So yay, I cleaned my room and I moved stuff over to the other side. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for more if you haven't already. If you didn't know, I'm a freshman at Western Kentucky University, and it's been very hot so far, but I am enjoying it. Again, hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you have an awesome week, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!